What I wish I knew before I saw it. Nature can paint. This river proves it. Welcome to Cano Cristales. Ever seen a river explode in color? Meet Cano Cristales, the river of 5 colors. Red hues carpet the riverbed, yellow blooms flash in shallow pools, green patches edge the stones, blue depths shimmer between colors, black streaks add dark contrast. They bloom from a rare plant. Macarenia clavigera clings to the rocks. Not algae, not pollution. It's biology and sunlight doing showtime. Found in Serranía de la Macarena, it lights up best July through November, when water levels are perfect. Remote, deep jungle access, few visitors. Protected, park rangers and strict limits. Magical, colors you have to see.